Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you start actually to go on through thumb sync and turn off crate. Okay, so this is going to be about to go through something that we need actually to know thumb sync about turn off crate. So first of all, there's gonna be actually everything that you want through the grid if you need something to be done on that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about follow this video to turn off grid. There's gonna be needed some things to do when you are going on through the Figma. Think if you really need like this. So as you can see, you can actually start to understand how you do it, and it's still to be about to go everything that you want in that progress. So as you can see, you can actually start to click on a certain frame and you have already the grid. Okay, now what you're gonna do if you have a grid in the Figma. So what you're gonna do is about clicking on the Figma and then start to scroll down here. Now click on the minus on the remove layout grid. And as you can see, you can start to see the grid has been removed, and that's all about to help you through this video.